Where'd I park at? There we go. It's so bad. It's like the back is. I think I need to step. We're sandwiching him.
He's getting spit roasted right now. We're helping him. Roll with there.
Repo! Repo! Now I'm in first. I need some more, I need some, oh, what was that, dude? What was, that was so good. Onto the belly. Oh, are you trying to get in front of me, bro? Are you trying, hey, shit. That was onto the roof, dude. Perfect slide. Uh-huh.
Really I like the king if I say that. Well, my mouse there, I can just drive over it. Oh, you can say, dude, if I roll over again. Oh, that thing is not working out.
Bam, shim, lam, down. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take that. Yeah, I got stock slash tires on the front of it. I just threw them on there last night. Oh, can we repo?
Come on. Just freaking drill it, dude.
Dude, we got this. We got this. In the backyard all the time. Remember this, Zach? Come on.
Literally just.
Oh, come on. not mount it. Not mount it.
Lauren, thank you for those wheels.
No worries.
And we'll see you around next time.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Almost did it again.
No. Oh, shit. No. Repo. I was just gonna say your method is you just gotta rip a part of it off.
It flips, it flips.
I think something's happened. I think my bumper's tucked again.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's got its lip stuck on its teeth.
Yep, like the dog.
That was a hard.
Yeah, my she took a little hit. So servo on the short course. Servo on the short course. Get my small pins back all the way around. I'll probably order the same ones I used to on Amazon.
Yeah. Well, I would run like kind of like what Jack's running. It's like not quite pins, but it's not.
Oh, like little small rails almost.
Yeah. Honestly, you'd probably be okay running pins since you're right there.
That's what I used to. I mean.
Honestly, pins would probably be fine all around.
That's what I used to run. I was big. I got big into like outdoor tracks. So small pins all the way around, no matter what. Where you at? Oh, you're coming around? Yeah, I don't have the tires of the servo. I need to get my tires set up still from last time, and then apparently the Mustangs gotta get set up, because that's going down, dude. That's definitely going down.
You also built the backyard short course cut, so it's set up for dirt.
Oh yeah, in my backyard, that was true.
Yeah, I have a dirt track on
See, now you're more set up than I am, Zach. I said you're more set up than I am. Yeah. Oh, clippage. How's that happen? Nice save. Oh! Carnage. Repo. Almost. Tire stretch. Dude, this servo is just, it's insane, like how
slow it is.
Yeah, like how wide I have to take corners to try to make anything shoot.
I think I actually have a spare turbo. It's the stock one that came on. I can't imagine it's any good. It's plastic gear, it's not steel gear.
Yeah, and usually sometimes like I've had fine luck with plastic gears.
Yeah, because the turbo savers are really good.
Usually, yeah. This thing's had so many miles and been like on so many outdoor tracks and just wear and tear.
Servos wear out before they actually break. It seems like
Yeah.
all tires. Yeah, they get so tired.
No! God, it's just gonna jump off the track. You pogoed me. You pogoed me.